If this isn't the best feature in pivot tables, it's top 3. I've taught pivot tables from Alaska to Miami, from Boston to San Diego, and an awful lot of places in between. And if this isn't the best feature in pivot tables, it's top 3. You can look at that 4757 and you say, there's no way you had $4,700 worth of collections in 2025 from Dr. Wonderful. If you double click any number in a pivot table, watch what it does. It takes the very same structure that your underlying data came in, and it shows you all the numbers. These numbers total the 4757 that is right there. It shows you the detail of every single number and gives you the ability to filter and say, all right, I want to filter for Aetna or Blue Cross, or I want to filter by state or by location or by patient or by whatever. Any number you double click in a pivot table, what it will do is it'll throw you another copy out here, and what it's doing is it's making a copy of the data. I can delete this all day long and still have my pivot table, because any number in here I can double click and get a copy of the data. Any number, totals, subtotals, any number in a pivot table, you can double click and get details.